So this is a milk frother, and this is definitely my new favorite thing. Look, it's so thick. I have to spoon it out of here because I did a really thick froth. You've got four controls on here. You push the button once and you get a really thick foam. You push it, a heated thick foam. The next one, it just heats and froths it. The third one just heats it. And the fourth one just froths it cold. And oh my goodness, and this is such a great, oh my goodness. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. It's so simple, and it just makes all of our drinks at home just that much more fancier. And if you're a tea or connoisseur, coffee connoisseur, like my family is, we are so spoiled. We don't even want to go out to any of the fancy coffee shops anymore because we make better stuff at home. Now, don't do it like I did it because I didn't read the directions and I overfilled it. So it even says it like right on the cap. Like if you want the really heavy foam, you've got a lower fill level because it's got to foam up. If you want the just the other foam, it's got a different max fill level. So I did it to the max fill level, but then set it on heavy foam and it all spilled out. My bad. Yeah, I don't read directions, makes my husband completely crazy. So anyway, so you've got this really fantastic, oh my gosh, look at that tea, look at that. Oh. Delicious. Now, I don't know how to do designs yet, but maybe that's my next move now that I have this guy. It's so exciting.